So you learn that using the effect hook, we can encapsulate all the logic around a certain piece of functionality in a single place. And this gives us an extra benefit. We can extract this logic, put it in a separate module, and reuse it across different components. So in this demo, let's imagine somewhere else in our application, we need to have this behavior, be able to set the title of our document. So in the hooks folder, let's add a new file. Look at the naming convention, use document title. So I'm prefixing this custom hook with use to be consistent with the hooks in React, okay? So that's a JavaScript file. Now, in this file, we're going to create a function called use document title. Now let's go back to our counter component and move this code over here. So we have the call to the use effect function, and that means we need to import it on the top. So import use effect from React. Now to make this more reusable, instead of hard coding this message over here, we want to give this function a parameter called title and then set it over here. Now, technically, we don't need any cleanup code for setting the title of a document. This was purely for demonstration, but I'm going to leave it here in case you want to look at this source code later on. Also, make sure to remove this empty array of dependency because otherwise this hook is not going to get called after our component got mounted. So if you update the name or count variables, our hook is not going to get called, okay? So delete. Now finally, we need to export this as a default function. Save the changes. Now we have a reusable piece of functionality. We can go to our counter component, and as you can see, we no longer have to import the use effect function. So let's delete it. Instead, we should import use document title from this module. And then we can call it over here. So our component code is cleaner, it's simpler, and we are reusing this logic. So if this logic has a problem, or if you want to change its behavior, there is a single place where we need to make the necessary changes. This is another benefit of using hooks. We can extract common logic into custom hooks and share it across different components. Just one last thing. I realized that I forgot to pass the title to our custom hook. So this is where we should pass name has clicked count times. So this is how we can use a custom hook.